Hi my respected friends, this video is for Oman millionaire lottery. Here I will give you the best prediction jackpot winning strategy for the upcoming draw which is drawing on 1st December 2022. Here I am going to show the 12 best numbers, powerful numbers with jackpot winning strategy. So please look at it carefully. First set is 12, 17, 21 and 26. This is number 1. Number 2 is 31, 33, 36 and 38. And third one is 2, 3, 7 and 8. These three sets, these are powerful numbers which are attracting on this date, 1st December. You should select your all 7 numbers. 7 numbers from these. What is the pattern? You should select your numbers. 2 numbers from here, from these 4 numbers. 3 numbers from these numbers and 2 numbers from these numbers. This is the powerful pattern. 2 numbers from first set, 3 numbers from second one and 2 numbers from third one. The maximum numbers should come between 30 to 39. This series is powerful. Now in the last, I am going to show here 4 lines. Don't buy these 4 lines. According to my research, these has very less chances to come. Number 1 is 4, 9, 13, 18, 22, 27 and 31. Number 2 is 5, 14, 19 and 23, 28, 32 and 37. Third one is 1, 6, 10, 15, 24, 33 and 38. And last one is 2, 11, 16, 20, 25, 34 and 39. These lines has very less chances to match 6 or 7 numbers, even 4 numbers. So don't select these lines according to my research. These lines can away from your jackpot winning. This is my prediction. Many friends mailing me for the membership. My WhatsApp number I already give in my videos. If you want to get membership with me, this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact only for the membership. So please don't mail me. I can't give you the reply. This is my membership number. You can contact. Okay friends, this is end of video and wait for my next videos. Good luck and goodbye.